You know, some people think that heaven is very far. How far is heaven? Do you know? As we are standing here like this, there's just one line that separates the two of us. That far is heaven from us. If you only take one step, you will be able to reach heaven. Heaven is not far. It is not because of our ability, but because of your faith. If you are not far from God, if you are far from God, it is just one step that you will enter into the presence of His Majesty. He calls you this evening. If you are in the presence of the Lord, your life will be changed. Your sadness will turn into joy. The sackcloth that you are wearing, God will remove it. If there are sackcloths that you are wearing that are burning you, the Lord will remove that garment from you. He will clothe you with a cloth of righteousness. He will clothe you with a cloth of righteousness. He will clothe you with a cloth of salvation. Hallelujah.
Forever I am changed by your love. In the presence of your majesty.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Jesus.
Your grace has found me just as I am. In the presence of your majesty.
Yes, Lord.
These days I have been speaking to a person.
Yang pastor imat larang isu ai bun ki bru kim ju kai snap mo.
He was telling me, Pastor, when we give something to some people, for free of course, people don't tend to value it.
Ki ju sngo kum kata?
Have you heard about that?
Na fio agi teng yo ba yo ai dan le yo.
When you get something for free,
Na fi kawan juga present.
when you celebrate an occasion, don't you want presents?
Dayo offer free ngetip. Dari kit patlun dayo, dari artli patlun dayo free gawe nganget pinyamare syata.
I'm sure when you go to a showroom, when you have an offer, buy one get one, I'm sure you will run to that offer.
Come day.
Is it not true?
Dene am start binyo.
Is it true that you love getting things for free?
Start naman yo.
Do you enjoy getting things for
Rakti
free?
start binyo.
Raise the hand those who enjoy getting things
Hallelujah.
for free. Hallelujah.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Tiếp nào.
Do you know?
How piyo ay kamot dan balat thiet manor balat siudor manor.
When you get something for free, it means that the free product that you get had been bought by somebody.
Davi yo ka free gift kam day ba tu brius lay tu ban IFE.
When you get some free gift, it is not that the person has stolen it and give it to you.
Udah lay thiet, udah siu dah kedor, badang tahu sa ay free yo ay.
It is first this person who goes and buy the product, and after that, whatever he gets free, he gives it to you.
Step ke jing benem ke jing ay ke jong try.
You know that salvation is a grace given by God.
Henry na dan way bla siu yang kedor.
But there is somebody who has paid the price,
Mau tahu Jesus.
and that is Jesus.
Bla siu na kedor na benem.
For Jesus has paid the price.
Bla siu na kedor. Yes, Jesus.
And the price that he paid was the blood of Jesus.
Yes, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord. We thank you for the price that you paid for our lives, oh Lord.
Bla siu na kedor ka benem.
For you paid the price of Jesus, the price of your blood.
Masuk ay ke jing benem try.
And you gave your salvation unto us for free.
Kedor ka benem pulang di try.
A precious price that you paid, oh Lord.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, hallelujah, we try.
Try yang bitte try bedruk. Jaga presence ke jong mengen ni kom no rei na ke jing ay. Try dah bedruk di try.
Lord, we know that we are able to enter your presence. It is because of your grace.
Kebeneng ke berem dor palat.
For the heaven is really expensive.
Terima ay yang ikut try.
But you, oh Lord, you gave us for free.
Thank you, Jesus. Pangasno ke jing bishar. Ublay. Pun sebeni kita kedor lana dan ki bau kain snap ya kita kedor.
And I'm sure there will come a day of judgment that God will show unto us the price that he paid, and those people who did not value the price that Jesus paid for us.
Kam day ka masyo ay la siu dor.
It was not for free, but it was paid at a cost.
Kasungo pala ni Jesus mo
I
ipalan.
thank Jesus for us,
Rasya cintam ka cintam ka bakot ni
that
pala.
he bare all the pain in himself.
Musimu wan man lang beriu.
For the king came down to earth to be a
Ublay wan man
man.
lang muraw.
For a God came down to be a man.
Namar mangingil lang muraw wan lang muraw ng tajogi.
Because we were slaves, he came to be a slave for us.
Ako ang ano ka chinyap.
And he humbled himself unto death.
Malaya try kumakat jok ablay.
Oh
Malaya tom.
Jesus, you walked into that hell, oh Lord,
Kadina mar maiit pala.
because you loved us.
May ibang inumlaaban siya ay gata.
Because you knew that we will not be able to bear that on
Kadina
us.
nakabor bulay ka siya may kabalagi ng blade try.
It is because of your godly power, otherwise we will not be able to bear it.
Imani may ko try.
Lord, we worship
Isumo
you.
may try.
We thank you.
We fall down,
Jesus.
we fall down,
Yes, Lord.
we lay our
Yes, Lord.
Jesus.
at the feet of Jesus.
Oh, yes.
The greatness of mercy and love
Jesus.
at the
Wala ka kabunan ka lang na inam na chongpi.
feet of Jesus.
Wala ay makanigan siya ngayon ka lahat na fi.
Do not let the salvation be
Iyak ka
wasted.
ka ni kami.
Receive salvation this
Iyak
time.
ka ka ni kami.
Receive salvation this
Iyak
time.
ka.
Receive it.
We cry.
Holy, holy,
Hallelujah.
holy,
jingrwai kami kecil jar mereka fall. We fall down. We bread not kalau dia kejongi. We bread kacung try.
Let us bring down everything into the feet of
All our
the Lord.
beings. Let us surrender to God. He is the one, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, who will return. He'll return with a sound, with a trumpet. Let us worship Him once again. We fall down. We lay our crowns at the feet of Jesus.
Choose Jesus tonight.
The greatness
Choose Jesus tonight.
Your mercy endures.
Choose Him
At
tonight.
the feet of Jesus,
We are in His presence.
we cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. We cry, holy, holy, holy. You are worthy of it all.
Jag ser när
You
det
are
blir så
worthy
fint.
of it
If there is anyone
all.
among you
Och vi bara drar en skit ut drar.
that you have not decided to choose Jesus,
Rai no hagane kami ka bomenta.
decide this evening.
Kani ka chingi skuri ka chingi ka lokle na ay kani kami.
For our service will be wasted
Nadapi pim
You
rai.
deserve the
unless you
glory.
decide.
Rai no hagane kami.
Decide this evening.
Wala na kami ka chingi ay kani ay lai no nabi.
Do not let this grace leave you.
You are worthy of it all.
Maniyo try. Chin man maniyo.
Choose to worship
Far
Jesus.
from
Chin
you
man
are
shakriyo.
Choose to
and to
serve.
you are
Chin yo mo no try chopi.
Choose to praise Jesus in your life. You are worthy.
you are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. Far from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. You are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. You are worthy of it all. Yes, Lord. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. You are worthy of it all. Roll out when I cry. You need why? You are worthy of it all.
แล้วเราเดินไปในช่องพี่รายกันในเมียตรงกันบูดหน่อยอยู่ตราย
And if there is
แล้ว
anyone
เรา
who
ชื่อจะมาที่ยอมมันจะไว้ในกำตาชม
to
พี่
choose Jesus in your life, we want you to move forward. We'll pray
นัก
for you.
นักการันตีพี่
And I guarantee you,
บาปพี่วันมันไอตีแล้วที่เขาตราย
when you come to surrender yourself unto Jesus,
พี่ลามันสโนซี
you might be sad
นั่นมันเป็นหาเป็นอีน้อยกับประเทศ
because you have to leave this
กับ
world.
จึงโซซีกับขึ้นจับเลย
And that sadness that is godly
กะลำชื่อจึงกะลากับมืด
will take you to repentance.
บางกะตากะจึงกะลากับมืดชื่อจึงเป็นเอ็ม
And that repentance to salvation.
บางกะตากะจึงเป็นเอ็มชากะตากับบาบีชุกนั่นนู่น
And that salvation to never regretting.
พี่เป็นยังอยู่จีสุพินมบาบีชุกนั่นนู่น
For when you receive Jesus and accept Him, you will never regret.
แล้วเราเดินไปในช่องพี่กันในกระเมียด
If there is anyone this evening,
แล้วเราเดินไปในช่องพี่เราเนี่ยชื่อขมัน
you can come forward.
Hallelujah. You deserve
It all. You are worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy of it.
You deserve all the glory, all the praise, Lord.
For from you
For from you are all
Ginay kita tapti gini gibawan sa
and
kuman.
to you
Let
are
us
all
praise the Lord's
things.
love. Come forward.
You deserve the glory.
Yes, Lord. Ginay go ime go try.
Lord, we thank you.
You are worthy of it all.
Lord, we thank you for your children.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Ginay kita tapti
You
gini
are
gibawan.
worthy of it all.
Hallelujah. 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 Ka Mary Magdala kalawan ban pensleh yu Jesus.
Mary
Haka ying
Magdalene
ka jong Simon
came
Pharisee.
to anoint Jesus in the house of Simon the Pharisee.
Kalas ngungu namar. Bau Jesus labe ano anyo tulitagi kisoy na ka.
She was so grateful to Jesus that he had cast out 7 demons from her.
Kalawan ban pensleh yu try da ka umpniang.
And she came to anoint Jesus with that oil
Now tau kiu dabi alabaster.
from the alabaster.
Dan kiblayang tut hagata kajaka.
And there were some people who did not like this.
Ro Jesus ang kani kalawan ban pensleh ban kre ya kamet ka jong anam ta ka jingtap.
But Jesus said, this woman has come to prepare my body.
Kani ka priyo kalawan ban pensleh yu try.
This woman came to anoint the Lord,
Nagabanta ban tep no yu Jesus.
for he was to be buried.
Hari ni kami ni wan ban mani yu try.
But this night we have come to worship him,
Dai shu ban tep ya u.
no longer to bury him,
Henry ban kre ya ka jingwan arsin ka jamo.
but we prepare his second coming.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Bagini gibawan na kani kamat na kani ka po.
And these who have come forward,
Kadai ba pipi ban kre ya ka jingwan jong try.
you are the one who are preparing the body of Christ.
Ina si taptin ta jonki.
Give them a
Hallelujah.
big hand. Hallelujah.
Kidang don ki shuki ki balat habeneng.
And there are empty seats in heaven,
Ki jaka ki balang thali habeneng.
empty places in heaven.
Ya ba kadai ka way na ka jong fina.
It can be yours.
Let's see finang don hadin.
Maybe you are lagging behind.
Wanam sungaleran.
Do not be embarrassed.
Ka offer kadang don hado kani kami.
Do not be ashamed, because the offer is still here for you.
Yo ka kut no ngam tip.
For the offer might end.
Yo ka kut no mentang yu sawano ka turoy ngam tip.
It might end now and the trumpet would sound.
The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne. Before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood. It's only by your blood. It's only by your mercy, Lord, I come. I bring an offering. I bring an offering of worship to my King. No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you do. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you. The sun cannot compare to the glory of your love. There is no shadow in your presence. No mortal man would dare to stand before your throne. Before the Holy One of heaven. It's only by your blood. It's only by your blood. It's only by your mercy, Lord, I come. I bring an offering. I bring an offering of worship to my King.
Money you try.
No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you do. Oh Lord, I bring an offering to you.
Desi na bring jong figi bapang bisitom ro ni ka po.
And if there is anyone among you who are not well, who are sick,
If you don't problem lagi yung isem jong figi no ka problem.
or you might have any problem in your life,
Pila yak sahat ka jingim ka jong fi.
you have been battling it by yourself.
Ngantep ka no. Ka issue ka mabida na ka jingim ka jong fi.
I do not know what issue are you battling in your life,
Renga nga ka ni kami.
but I believe this evening
Itagi kinjri ki bate kin de kut lo.
all the chains that had been bound you
Hallelujah.
will be freed. Hallelujah.
Amar ka dan ka por ha ka kerteng ka jong Jesus.
Because we know there is power
trong phi ada cái đi chinh bắc chinh stom cái chinh ed cái mà phi đó là cái yang cái sem là nơi cái mà bấm nông cái nhận đoái cái này cái miệt cái bấm ta.
And if there's anything that you need prayer, you can come forward. We will pray for you.
No one on earth deserves the praises that I sing. Jesus, may you receive the honor that you're due.
Ngasngol ka ni kapor.
And I feel
Will Lord offering to you.
Daytang mapi marway bawa na kanigi just sing.
Amen.
it feels like you're the only one who has come here.
Na yengi persyap hai pi.
Everyone in your family are against you
Na marfifi chi hu chisu.
because you have chosen Jesus.
Pidan ke jisu kia nam ta ke yeng ke jong pi.
And you have a burden in your heart for your family
Na markim pat yo ke ching penem.
because they have not received salvation.
Ikwa banduai ke ke miet nam ta jong
We
pi.
want to pray for you.
Sedan na yeng jong pi. Ki mam pat yo ching penem ngini duai ke ni ke miet.
If you know and you feel that your family, your relatives need salvation, you can come forward. We'll pray for them.
Mi khmat ma phi na ka liang jong kata I bahayeng jong pi la dai di khon na I lok na ki me na ki pa na mi khmat ma phi na ka ni ke miet yo banduai nam ta jong pi.
So you can come and stand for them. It can be your wife, your husband, your child, your daughter, your son, your brother or your sister, anyone.
Ngasngol don sibon na ka ni ke miet.
And I know that there are many in this place.
Mi khmat ma phi nam ta jong ki.
So come forward for them.
Hallelujah. 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 Kadang ke jing pen ki ke jong men siam ke ni ke chaka.
There is a movement of the Spirit of the Lord.
Trying a throng ya, jinky boba ublay. Trying a sliang ro, ya jingpe usi.
He ko try men sim jong.
Trying a choir
Na man mo ko ka men sim ka jot no.
Lord, you do not desire that even one soul be destroyed,
Henry ba baro kinwan sa jing kila ka bumo.
but every soul will come to salvation.
Na man da try mo ko ka men sim ka jot no.
For you do not will, O Lord, that one soul be destroyed.
Try me no ba banel mi ka.
But Lord, your will is to save every life, every
Me
soul.
lawan ka na banel sa tay ba banel.
For you have come to this earth to give salvation to many
Ingat ko
lives.
try ka ni ka miet.
And we are here, O Lord,
Na mar gini ki mo an sa kamat.
for these who have come forward,
Iba mi khmat na unda kita ki ba pan yo ching penem.
who come to stand for the ones who have not received
Laban day
salvation.
ukurim.
It can be a husband,
Laban day ki kon ki kti.
can be the children,
Laban day kukurim.
can be the wife,
Ni ki hitmen ki para.
or the brothers or the sisters,
Ki kimi ki kpa.
the mother or the
Lord,
father.
I'm thirsty. Pour out your Holy Ghost. Lord, I want to see the hands of God more mightily inside of me. I'm hungry for the move of God in me. One will say like
Duai nam ta. Kita ki bahayeng ki jopi ka ni kasi. Duai nam ta jogging ngan. Ublay ka ni kasi ujubab na.
And I know if you pray for your family,
Ublay
God
wa.
will answer you.
Pananay baka ni kasi ka jujubab ki
For
joblay.
God says, ask from me, and this is the day that I will answer your prayer.
Ublay slam show man jubab.
For God will not take time to
Wala
answer
slam
your
show man
prayer.
jubab. Maki jingwan ki jingu kalahajan pala.
For we know that His second coming is near.
Ano yung prayo ka susuwi ka jingin ki jo metro. មានបុព្វលេលេគីកាបា
This is the night that Lord will do
ពីឡាអំណោលស្លេមុត្រៃអងនេះក៏លោកមាន
You had been expecting for
ក៏
long.
មានចុគីកាបា
This is the night of miracles.
Hallelujah កខ្ទីយងលេក៏នេះគេយ៉ាងណា
The Lord of God is here. The Lord is about you. I would like to pray for you again as a servant of the Lord. I'm praying for you.
Hallelujah. 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 Yes, Lord. Hallelujah. 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 Yes, Lord. Try you man dwai go try nam tani ki khon ki chong. Hallelujah. You man dwai go try. Nam tani ki khon ki chong. Kila ang nod ablay. Try ki ang nod ko kan di bahayeng ko chong ki ginyo achim penem. Try ki ang nod bagi bahayeng ko chong ginyo achim penem. Hallelujah. 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 Try mo kisngi ki bakando ngan the lo imun sim bang ko ya lo ka.
You will pour out your spirit upon every soul of Lord. We know Jesus. This is a time that you will pour down your spirit into their lives, so Lord. That you will convict them of your sins, so Jesus. That they will understand salvation, Lord. We love
Kini ki khon ki lawan ha kini ka por ko kan rat try.
Father
Ki lawan man mi khmat nam ta jom ki ablay.
to come to pray for their family.
There's gonna be a great awakening. There's gonna be a great revival in our land.
Praise the Lord.
There's gonna be a great awakening. And everyone who calls on Jesus, they will be saved. Kan wan ka jingpen im kapakraw. Kan wan ka jingpen im hakawi jongi.
Hallelujah.
Kan wan ka jingpen im kapakraw.
Oh, ingay ko
Gilakon hakar teng Jesu gives your life. Yes, Lord. There's gonna be a great awakening.
Man tenu man simba.
There's
Simba
gonna
ko
be a
tambaro.
great
Nan
revival.
man ko man simba ki jalan babaro kinwan chiki jingkalat ko.
There's
Try
gonna
me
be
thought ko
a
try.
great
Make dread for me ablay.
So you will speak
Ye ki
to
don't know
them, O
mau.
Lord. You will speak to them.
Ma ah ki don't know dog.
So Jesus.
But kalay ki don't know chiki ko try.
So Jesus.
Transform me ablay.
We know, Lord, that you will change.
Hallelujah.
You will change.
Lalaki ka no bam ma melu ternem daktin yung e go try.
No matter how hard they are. You will
Daktin
break
jo me
their
galong
hard
gating
hearts.
tanno ika paman baro.
You will burn their sinfulness, O Jesus.
Rai bom de daktin ka jong me.
Father, break them with your word.
Kita ki mau baro kin prapom.
For the rocks will be
Ki
scattered.
dono baro kin
Every
prano
heart
pom
will
kin luat.
melt, oh Jesus. Will melt, oh Lord.
Kin luat ki dono na.
Father, their hearts
Have a
will
good
be
time, oh
in the name
Jesus.
of Jesus.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
chain. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus. There is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, 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 to break every chain.
And we can hear every chains breaking right now.
We can see there are
chains breaking right now. For every praise.
Hallelujah.
Let us give God praise. Let us give God a big hand. We will shout for
to tumble every wall, to tumble every wall, to tumble every wall. Kita gikan rock niam.
There are
Kita gikan rock
walls of
niam
religion.
kita ano.
Those walls of religion will break down.
Gikan rock niam mun sin ka kang yung beriu sa kajing penim.
For the walls of religion many times stops people from coming towards God.
Kajing suniam ka kang yung beriu sa kajing penim.
For this is the walls of religion that stops people to come to
Barangi bangingi perta.
Because when we shout,
Gikan rock Jericho kita wa.
the walls of Jericho breaks down. Hallelujah!
Kita gipendi bisa set bendi ang giniam. Gin lai lu jangan
Those
kami.
people who are in prison, God will set them free.
Kikoi ni cuka niam gin lai lu jangan
All
kami.
the walls of religion will come
Kikoi
down.
ni niam gin lai lu. Break every chain, break every chain, break every chain. Oh hallelujah, yes Lord. To break every chain, to break every chain, to break every chain. Betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock. Hallelujah. Betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock. Don't the ball, don't the ball. Happy day with Jesus. Don't the ball, happy day with Jesus. Don't the ball, happy day with Jesus. Betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock. Betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock. Betuaki can rock, betuaki can rock.